kidding me? The fuck was that? Video detected.
Bruh! Jesus!
Did you ever have to deal with such co-workers? If you did, please let us know about your experiences in the comments. And by the way, while you're at it, I would really appreciate it if you could also like the video if you want to support my channel. Thank you so much in advance.
What?
Oh, he hit me.
Gonna get from this RV or what, dog?
I was thinking about it, but that didn't time out right.
I feel like
Excuse me,
I'm just-
thank you.
fuck?
Okay, that happened.
Awesome.
Sure.
I'm 100% sure.
That's it.
Look at the camera.
Oh.
Oh my
What
god.
happened there?
No idea. Yeah.
售債券部分只會發今次嘅銀色債券，唔再發其他零售債券。香港電台記者有冇風報道？香港總統。
My God, why would you do that? Ha! Jesus Christ. What?
Well, that helped.